Nature's Garden Ocean Waves Fragrance Oil. This fragrance oil by Nature's Garden is a refreshing, clean blend with top notes of lemon sparkle, pineapple, and strawberry combined with middle notes of jasmine, lavender, star anise, basil, ocean air, and sun-kissed gardenia with a background of musk and driftwood. Our customers create flowing products with this fragrance oil, including powerful decorative candles, refreshing homemade soaps, bracing bath and body products, and restoring room scents. Check out our free recipes and classes at naturesgardencandles.com. Nature's Garden, your fragrance oil leader.